Hey, what's up everybody? Sami here. So, Huawei just released its newest Pura 70 series, the successor to the previous P series. Today, in this video, let's unbox it and give you first look. I'll provide a super detailed review later on. So guys, definitely subscribe and turn on the notification bell as I always do this kinds of fresh tech unboxings for you first. The one I got is the Starlight White. It's not a pure white color. It has a hint of gray in it, toned with some grayscale. It's made of leather, which I really like. What's really special about it is this leather features a high-end embroidered embossed pattern, which compared to the previous leaked advertisement, I find more appealing. Huawei said the design inspiration comes from the Starlight and the Seine River. Any friends near this place, please leave a comment below and I might visit someday. Anyway, I think this finish exudes a sense of quality. It looks classy and fashionable. We also have two other colors, green and black, ready in my hands. Huawei also offers a brown one. So, which one is your favorite? I personally favor the black one. It's more fitting for my successful YouTuber status. Just kidding, I'm not there yet. Subscribe to help me get at least 100k subs. Subscribe please! Now, about the camera module. I think Huawei was inspired by the koala's adorable face. Specs-wise, it features a 1-inch 50-megapixel retractable camera sensor, which I will show you a little bit later. And then there is the 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 3.5 times zoom, as well as support for 35 times zoom macro photography. Plus, there is a 40-megapixel ultra-wide angle lens. Well, we've all seen how thick the camera module is when the phone offers a 1-inch sensor. But the thickness on this Pura 70 Ultra is quite fine, not that exaggerated. Here we compare it with its predecessor, the P60, definitely thicker, but with it cleverly designed in a stepped manner, visually extending layer by layer, giving an overall impression of thinness. And its corners are very rounded, as always providing a very rounded design feel. Now about the retracted lens. As I've released a short video on my TikTok, yes, follow it if you can. As long as you press the camera icon, the main camera lens pops up, and when you close the app, it goes back in. Well, I have seen this a couple years ago at Oppo's Inno Day, but never saw Oppo implement that in its phones. Well, now Huawei did it. I would imagine the internal engineering challenges must have been quite difficult because it requires precision in the internal structure of the device. But why this retractable design? Is it just for fun? Well, what good does it bring to the table? Well, at least this design allows the 1-inch sensor to have more space while still keeping the overall device thin. And what about the camera capability? Well, Huawei claims that the phone supports ultra-fast snapshots capable of capturing high-speed racing cars at 300 km per hour or magnetic trains, superb micro shots, and real portrait situation. It seems it has all stepped up to another level. However, no testing, no saying. I would definitely do a super detailed camera review of what they advertised to see if they are true. I will also compare it with the Vivo X100 Pro, Oppo Find X7 Ultra, Xiaomi 14 Ultra etc. So definitely subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss them. For the specs, it supports the Crane 1910 chipset, UFS LPDDR5 RAM etc. Some more information about the chipset. Currently, it's running on the HarmonyOS 4.2 system. More parameters about the screen, including the PPI density and refresh rate. The version we got is the 1TB variant. Its battery capacity is 5,200 mAh, supporting 100 watts wide charging and 80 watts wireless charging. So both the charging speed and specifications are quite impressive. And that's my unboxing, the first impression of the Huawei Pura 70 Ultra. Special thanks to my partner Eva from Eva's Tech Life for sharing the footage and the phone. Subscribe to our channel as well. Many thanks. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.